Hi, welcome to the program. Today I'm gonna make a cake which is my wife's favorite. It calls double chocolate double cream. It does not require any ovens or any gelatin. It's straightforward. So we're gonna crush the biscuit straight away in the machine. I like to use this mixer because it's quite easy and it's quite solid. 500 grams of digestive biscuit, about 200 grams of soft butter. Yeah, take your time. You want it to be as a paste. Okay. And it's delicious cake. Straightforward. Okay, maximum of mixing 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. This is ready. And my cakes I try to make them easy and simple. All the weight, try to make them the same. You don't get lost to anything. So, trick of the baker. When you do this, you need a little bit of water, warm water to dip your hands in. Because we have to press it as a paste. Use water. You don't want it to stuck in your hand. We use that side. Press hard. Okay. Make it flat as much as you can. Okay, this is ready. So, okay, we go back to the cream. You use 4 tubs of 300 gram of double thick cream. Please don't use a double cream or single cream. It won't hold. Make sure it's thick. Prepare all. I need 3. I need only 600 ml. Okay. Make sure, as I said, I do insist, must be thick, and it's available on the local shops or a big supermarket. You don't need gelatin. It doesn't need to go to the oven. It's set by itself. When we do it, we just leave it to cool down and we put it like 4 hours in the fridge. Or better off, we leave it overnight. And it's not a mousse either. Okay, leave it to there. Come into the bubble now. It's bubbling nicely. Okay, you put about 1 kilo of dark chocolate. Just go gentle. So this cake called double cream, double chocolate. And if you have a girlfriend and you've been a bad boy, it's a lovely cake, will fix it. Any trouble. Girls love this cake. Alright. Get all the chocolate in. Cooking is about love, expression, you know, care. Do not rush. You'll get there. You don't want to be now. I need a little bit more chocolate. My heater is a bit too hot, I just moved it out. Let's come here. Just keep mixing. Okay, because my heater was a bit hot, I just moved it out. Brought it to my table. Okay. Okay, we pour it in. All of it. Little tap, make sure chocolate. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it for an hour outside and I put it in the fridge for 4 hours. Okay, I'll see you then. Hi. The cake just come from the fridge. I took it out. I left it for 4 hours. What I advise you to do, hot water from the kettle, long dip a knife in, put it inside. Okay, you may need 2 eyes. Okay. Okay. It makes it easy, the rings comes out easy, you know, hot against cold. Look at that. Look at it, beautiful. To finish it, give it a nice touch. Just a dust of cocoa. Look at that. Unbelievable. No gelatin, ladies and gentlemen. No oven. You save tons of money. Okay. Little decoration. Nice 3 strawberries, beautiful. Just in the middle. Et voila. The double cream, the double chocolate. Rachel's favorite. A base of digestive biscuit with butter. Good mix. A ring 10 by 10, loose bottom. 600 ml of double thick cream, as I said. Make sure it's thick. And a kilo, 1 kilo of dark chocolate. Here's the cake. This cake she feeds about 16 people, but not in my family. Maybe 8. Okay.